In this video, we are going to see how we can delete a YouTube channel permanently. And just remember guys, deleting a YouTube channel is different from deleting a Google account. So that means that if you have a single Gmail account and you have created multiple YouTube channels on that, you have to do the same activity for every single channel. So first of all, if you want to delete the YouTube channel, you have to go on to the right hand corner where you click on your profile icon, and then at the bottom you will select settings, and then in the middle in your YouTube channel settings you click on view advanced settings, and from here you select delete channel. You select review in Google account. Basically it will ask you for the verification again. You just quickly verify through it. From here we select I want to permanently delete my content, and it will show you the details of what this channel contains. It contains 2 videos, 3 playlists, 1 kids profile, 107 subscribers, and so on. So if you want to delete it, you select all of this and finally select delete my content. And after that you will follow any further instructions if it arrives, and that is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.